Well, good morning, class. Today I'm going to give you a brief overview on using the Louisiana Slave Database. Now, first and foremost, there's a couple of things that you are going to have to do. I've provided you links in the online portion of this class to where you can go to download the data file. Now, depending on the version of SPS that you have, you will either be able to use the slave database file, and by the way, this is the one you're using, and you will also need the code book. I'm going to click on the code book and either it'll download or open up depending on your computer settings. So I'll just click on it. Oh, okay. And it gives you the code book for the Louisiana Slave Database. It contains a ton of information in here. I suggest you read through it carefully. It'll make a whole lot of sense once you actually read through it and start working with the data. Okay, let me go back. Don't worry for the free database and the free slaves and the free code books for right now. Now, let me scooch over here. You can see on the side of my desktop, I actually have a smaller version of the slave database available for you if your computer software, your version of SPSS cannot handle the exceedingly complete large database of the files. And before I get to that, let me just click on another link that you have, and you should read this as well. This gives you a really good overview of what's contained in the Louisiana Slave Database. And it tells you it's composed of about 107,000 entries documenting the people who were enslaved in Louisiana from 1719 with the arrival of the first slave ship directly from Africa to 1820 when the domestic slave trade from the East Coast became the almost exclusive supplier of slave labor to the lower South. Okay, so now you understand what the Louisiana Slave Database. Hopefully you found your way to the links that are available for you in the online portion of this class. Now, since I already have the smaller version of the data file downloaded to my computer, and it is contained on the computers in the lab, should you use it, should you need to access a copy of it. I'm just going to double click on it. So it will open up SPSS on my computer and show me the data file. Okay, yours might look a little something like this, and it wants to know, do you want to open existing data source? Yes, so I'm going to click this one, and I'm going to click OK. Ta-da! So now you see the raw data in the data view, and now you see, if we click this other button here, you'll see the variable view. And I know everybody understands what all of this is about because you've already completed a few SPS exercises prior to this. Now, at this point, I am going to stop, and I know you can take it from here going forward to complete your assignment on the Louisiana Slave Database. As always, if you have questions, talk to me before, during, or after class, or you can, of course, email me. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.